Here I have ALCATEL 3V, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to activate Do Not Disturb mode, you just go to the upper bar here and select it here. And if you hold your finger here, you can also access some additional options of Do Not Disturb mode, like here you can select priority only. That means that you can here select which notifications or messages or calls will be allowed while Do Not Disturb mode. Here you can also disable visual notifications. It means that they will not appear on screen when the mode is on. And here you can add rules. Rule is the time period when the Do Not Disturb mode will automatically turn on and turn off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.